one of the areas that our law firm really focuses on is defending impaired driving cases. And a common question that comes up for clients is whether, would they get in a car accident and they get charged with a DUI or impaired driving and their car's totaled, say, or there's significant damage. And will their insurance company cover that situation if they, say, win their impaired driving trial, so they're acquitted? A very interesting question. The long and short of it is this, that there is an exclusion under insurance contracts that if you're convicted of impaired driving or dangerous driving, the insurance company will not pay for the property damage to your vehicle causes to your vehicle or to a lamppost or a building. We've had clients run into homes before and cause $80,000 in damage. If you win your trial, so you have your trial and you win it, now the insurance company's in a conundrum because you've won your trial and it becomes quite difficult for them to resist coverage. Under that scenario, most clients are able to successfully claim the coverage for their vehicle. Some insurance companies will dig in on that situation. I've seen it happen on occasion where the odd one will dig in, and I think if they really dug in, they might be able to win their case, but they seem to invariably give up. So in most situations, it seems if you win your impaired driving trial or your dangerous driving trial, you're going to get coverage, fortunately. A couple tips, and I'm not an insurance lawyer, it's a different area of law, but it's just obviously a question that rises with our clients often. I refer the client to a specialist in that area who sues for motor vehicle collision coverage. You're going to want to do a couple things leading up to the trial. You need to file a document called a proof of loss, which is one-page document setting out your loss. And the most important thing to remember is there's a 1-year limitation period to sue your insurance company to get that coverage. You only have 1 year. And sometimes your impaired driving trials after that 1 year. So you're going to want to start your claim before the 1 year. If you lose your trial, of course, you can always abandon the claim, but you've got to preserve your rights. So this is it's a tricky area. I have seen the insurance company dig in, unfortunately, but invariably they seem to give up. Even on the cases that I've seen them dig in, there's usually a negotiated settlement. So you should be good to go in most cases if you win your trial, then you get acquitted in that area. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.